Hello everybody. Today we are going to be making a flower. Looks like that. Very tall. Put it way back here. So we're making a flower. So this week is spring and plant week. So we're going to be making a flower. To go along with that, we have a lot of different activities this week. You're going to print off on yellow because we're making a sunflower. You're going to print off the petals and cut those out. You're going to print off the stem and the leaves. That is going to be on green paper, or you can do it on white paper and color it or paint it. That's fine too. And then you're going to have a whole bunch of words that you're going to have to cut out. Okay? So that's step one. Step two is to get a long piece of paper. We used blue because, the outside, the sky is blue. You can use whatever color you have, okay? But you're going to need something long enough that's going to put your whole flower on here, okay? So the first step you're going to do, oops, sorry about that, dropped my paper today. You're going to glue your stem onto the paper, okay? Don't glue it too close to the top because you've got to put the flower part on the top. So glue the stem close to the bottom, but leave a little bit of space. Glue your leaves on, okay? And then for the bottom, you need a little seed down here. Any kind of seed that you have at home will work. And then we just use little pieces of yarn for roots. You can use black marker. You can draw them on, pipe cleaner, whatever you might have that you can use for roots. And then up here, we used a cupcake holder. And we flattened it down, glued that on. More little beans. Now, because it's a sunflower, they're going to be black. Okay, so I found some little black beans. If you don't have beans, just color little black circles. It's totally fine. And then the yellow, you're going to glue all the way around the cupcake holder. Now, a couple of mine fell off over here, but you want to make sure to go all the way around because it's going to be a sunflower, okay? Now, the other thing you have to do is you have to use your words and you have to label. So labeling means to put the word next to what each piece is called. Okay, now you're going to say, Mrs. Hart, I don't know how to read, right? But we do know our sounds, and that's all you need to know for this activity is your sounds. The very first sound. So what does this word say? It starts with the letter P, and it sounds like puff, puff, right? So it must be the puff, puff petals. So we're going to glue the word petals up here by our yellow petals, okay? Now this whole part is the flower. What does flower start with? Flower starts with an F. So we're going to take the F word and we're going to glue that next to our flower. Okay. Then we have these green parts right here. The leaf. What does leaf start with? An L. So you're going to find the L word and glue that on here. Okay. You're going to move down to the stem. Now you're going to say, Mrs. Hart, we have two S words, right? Well, stem is st, which is an S and a T together. Okay, that's our blend, ST. So stem is this word here. You're going to glue that next to the stem. Then the other S word is seed. Now look, our sight word is in there. C, right? And all we did was add the letter D for whole new word, right? So that's a seed, and that's going to go right next to your seed right here. And then over here, next to your roots, starts with the letter R. You're going to glue the R word down here. So you don't even need to know how to read. You just need to know your sounds. So that's going to be our science activity, one of our science activities for this week, okay? So I want to see all your flowers this week when we get on our call, and let's see how they look. Have fun!